I'm going to show you how to set up a shortcut to do a forced quit, kind of like on a Mac when you do a forced quit if you got a program that's not responding. So I'm using Linux Mint here, as you can see. So we're going to go down here. We're just going to click on the menu. Then we are going to type in keyboard. Then we're going to click on keyboard shortcuts. So that's going to come up. And we are going to scroll down here and we're going to click on add. Then for the name, we're going to type in force quit. And make sure you put a space there in between force and quit. For the command, we're going to type in XKILL. And all we're going to do is click on enter. So as you can see, that put that down here under custom shortcuts, and we have the force quit, and it's disabled. So we're just going to put our cursor over it, click again. Now it says new shortcut, so we're going to hit the Windows key, hold that down, and click another button. So for example, like Windows key Q, but for me, I'm on a Mac, so it's going to be Alt plus Q, but you can make it whatever you feel like. So, which I did the Command plus Q on here, but as you can see, it's showing Alt plus Q. So now what we're going to do is click close. So let's say we have a terminal up and it's not responding. So we're going to click the shortcut we just made. And there you go. It force closed it once I held the Command and Q down for me, or the Windows and Q for you, or whatever form you want to do. You can do any type of thing. If you want to use Windows key W, Windows key P, or whatever you want to do. You make it whatever you feel like. And if you have to do it over, you can do it again. Just go back into it. And as you can see, it's right there. And if you need to remove it, do it over, just highlight it, click on remove, and you can do it over again. So hopefully this helps out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.